Adventures in Faerun is something I'll be covering and doing some DM guides for soon. But I went a bit mad and got the Beadle and Grimm's box version of it. What is this? Well, premium map collection. So Beadle and Grimm's, if you don't know, do extra special sets. They do dice and they're very prop heavy, very, you know, things you can get your hands on. So inside this box we get a little what's in the box section, and normally there's loads of goodies, but this is just maps. And since I'm doing DM guides, I thought I'll splash out on it. So, this is a fabric Faerun map. Oh, it feels like a proper tapestry of, yeah, the Sword Coast. Surprisingly thick. Quite nice if you wanted to hang that up in your little D&D dungeon. And then a cellophane pack. It was about £120 UK money, but you can see as I spread it out, there's loads in just this section. And I spend about that getting the bundles on D&D Beyond. Baldur's Gate Outskirts. Now these correspond to some of the adventures in our book, Candlekeep. So yeah, just when I do my guides for you, it'll just be nice and easy to show you these big versions, or when I run the game for somebody. Actually, I normally pin these over my fireplace, and often you'll see a whiteboard in the back of my videos and perhaps a map. So it's not just like location maps. We get, you know, maps you can put your miniatures on. This is Moonwell. Calimshan, proper big area map. Icewind Dale, you know, so if I'm doing an Icewind Dale guide, I can use this. It's got sort of 10 towns on there. Myths Draenor. Oh, this has got some real fine detail on. The Dale lands, and you can see how big they are, like full-scale newspaper size. Moonshare Isles, just map after map. So yeah, this is all about bringing it to life. Ooh, this feels Mulpton. That's got a great scroll kind of feel to it. Sewer Keep, yeah, huge things. Obviously you don't have to just use them with the specific adventure. These are forever. And it's a matter of looking and going, oh yeah, it's some sort of a library or a tavern. Ones where they're layered so you can look down on different floor levels. So on one side we've got the Dalibad Oasis, and on the other we have the Bastion tracker, which you get printed out in the Dungeon Master's Guide. And again, oh, that's another Bastion tracker with something else on the other side. Oh, there's one difference. These aren't all the same. The Terror, Fair Castle, Freedale, Eomain House, Dalibad Oasis. And then, as a bonus, which isn't a map, a Welcome to Faerun. And this is higher than my others. DM screen. So, very ornate looking cover. Yeah, that's higher than I expect. So we have, what do we have here? Standard languages of Faerun, currency, regions of the realms, map, colour-coded for the areas, Faerunian pantheon, deity, home plane, typical worshippers, factions of the realms, faction attitudes. The art on that is superb. Yeah, I mean, this is like if you really want to treat yourself. I love being immersed in the games, you know, being able to hand them a map to pass around. And if you think your table is worth the extra $1, well, I'll be covering more of these products in the future. I'm waiting for the Curse of Strahd reprint from this company. I've got the Keys from the Golden Vault box coming, and I will be covering Ravenloft, The Horrors Within from Beadle and Grimm's. I've got an affiliate link, let's be straight and honest. I get a commission if you buy anything. Check out the website at least. They are beautiful stuff. And I'll see you next session.